Meaning of homeward.
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 Homeward. The word homeward is an adverb that means moving or directing toward home or in the direction of one's home. It refers to the journey, direction, or movement towards one's place of residence or where they belong. Homeward is often used to describe the physical movement of a person or the emotional longing for a place of familiarity. The term can be seen used in various contexts, such as in literature, music, and everyday conversations. Overall, homeward represents the idea of returning or going back to where one belongs.